This is the new PASTEL PLEXI Glow Highlighter, a translucent alabaster base with a golden champagne shade. An amazing fact about this product is that we used a new cutting-edge drop technology. So we dropped pink pigments and icy mint pigments into the corners for an extra shift of color. But before using any powder highlighter, I always like to use my glow cream base. You can just easily swirl around your brush and pick up all 3 shades together and apply it on your cheeks. And then with a larger eyeshadow brush, I'm picking up the shimmering pink and applying it on the apples of the cheek. This is going to give you a very subtle and beautiful shift of pink on your cheeks. And as for the last touch, I like to highlight the inner corner of the eyes with the pastel mint. Or a great tip is also to create an instant halo effect and press a little bit of it on the center of your eyelids if you're already wearing eye makeup. I hope you love this tip and thank you so much for watching. Bye!